If you're trying to update your Valorant game or trying to download Valorant and it is stuck at 0% or the downloading speed is very slow, this tutorial is for you because we are going to fix it in a 100% manner, and once you do all these very simple steps, you will be able to fix it absolutely spot on. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to Task Manager. Now, under the Task Manager, please make sure if there is any app running in the background like Google Chrome or any other application, you just need to do a right click and click on End Task. Please make sure you only disable unwanted. Please do not disable graphics, internet, or any other thing, like only the applications which is running in the background. And you should only have Riot Games, your Valorant game should be running. And once this is done, you need to go to the Details tab here. Now, in Details tab in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, look for riotgames.exe. It should be running as you are updating or downloading Valorant. So let's say if this is a Riot Games like that, you just need to do a right click and you need to set the priority from normal to high. And the moment you do that, you just need to close that window. Look for Riot, R-I-O-T Games. Alright, once this is done, you need to close this window, and then we need to move to the next step, which is do a right click in the start icon and then click on run, and here type ncpa.cpl. So here we are going to change the DNS, which will be very effective. If you're using Ethernet, you can select Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can select Wi-Fi. So I'm using Wi-Fi, just do a right click, go to properties, and here you will find Internet Version Protocol 4, just like that. And here you need to click on properties and select use the following DNS server. Enter preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1 and alternative DNS is 1.0.0.1. Once you have entered it, click on OK and then close it, and then look for the Valorant game. It must be better and the downloading speed will be way higher. If not, I would recommend to restart the computer, restart the modem, the router which you have, and I'm absolutely sure that the downloading speed which is stuck in while updating or downloading Valorant will be fixed. And you can let me know in the comment section if you have successfully downloaded or updated Valorant in your PC. If this tutorial has helped, please hit the like and subscribe, and I would highly appreciate if you can leave a comment on that. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.